Have had enough of your old vacuum cleaner? Introducing UOOGOU, a powerful and intelligent vacuum. In auto mode, UOOGOU can automatically adjust its suction power according to the texture of the surface. The manual mode allows you to set the suction to any level you want with just one simple slide. UOOGOU is wireless, compact, lightweight, and versatile. The strong suction power and high motor speed ensure deep and quick cleaning of any surface, even for large-sized debris. And the 4-stage filtration system can filter 99.9% of the dust and particles. UOOGOU also comes with 5 interchangeable heads to accommodate all types of surface. The mopping head is especially handy. Simply attach it to the stick vacuum. It can wet mop, dry mop, polish, and clean walls, windows, and much more. Simply press the button, the dust cap will open and release all the dust. The battery of UOOGOU is removable. Swap the backup battery and you will get more than 2 hours of continuous use. UOOGOU, your smartest cordless stick vacuum ever.